Hey everyone, this is Aaron at hitchedforfun.com. Thanks for tuning in again today. I really appreciate each and every one of you and all of you that are subscribing, liking, commenting on my videos. Today I wanted to share with you a new project I'm working on. I picked up a Midland Micromobile unit for our RV here. It's a 15-watt portable package. Comes with all the components I'll show you here. It does the GMRS and FRS frequencies that many of us use when we're out backpacking, hiking, RVing, backing up the coach with walkie-talkies and so forth. And I've done another video on the actual walkie-talkies and so forth. But today I wanted to show you this because I want to get this installed in my motorhome so that when some of us are out hiking and walking, ATVing away from the trailer, someone here at the base camp can communicate back and forth with one another real easy. So this is a great kit for you to put in an RV or in a car, Jeep, or even an ATV. Nice and compact. So out of the box, it comes with a control head, which has the microphone, the speaker, and everything right in the head. Okay, and that will plug into the base unit, and it's very compact. Very nice, rugged design, and it comes with the mounting bracket that's on there too. It comes with the little antenna, mag mount antenna, and the coax. This coax is about 19 feet long, so it allows you to, put this radio under the dash or somewhere in your coach and go externally up onto the roof. Or I'll show you how I'm going to do mine. But that comes ready to go, and then it comes pre-wired with the wire harness with a fuse built into it and a secret adapter to power it. All it takes is 12 volts power. And so if you're lucky like I am in my coach, I have a 12 volt port that we're going to plug that into. It comes with an extra fuse and some mounting screws, and then of course it comes with a little mount we're going to put on the wall to hold the mic. All right, so I wanted to show you what I'm going to do. This is a Keystone Raptor toy hauler that we have, and I'll show you over here. Come over this way, and right here at our entertainment center, it's pretty cool because it has a 12 volt cigarette adapter port right here for us. And I got to be thinking, this will fit perfectly right here beside our Blu-ray player. So in a moment I'll install that. I'll kind of film as I'm doing it, and then I'm going to mount the head probably right about here for quick and easy access. Now I have found that my Blu-ray player too, the case is metal, so I'm actually going to hold the camera there. I'm going to, for easy installation, you can put the mag mount antenna right there on the Blu-ray player in my case. If I want to go longer range, there's also a trick that a lot of us hams use, and believe it or not, you can create a really good grounding plane, or a plane that sends a signal out horizontally with a cookie sheet, believe it or not. So other times, if maybe some of our family's going out a little farther, I'll probably stick this on a cookie sheet and put it up in our loft, just to get a little bit more distance out of the radio. But so far my preliminary test, it does quite nicely just from this spot right here. In your coach, you may be able to do a more permanent installation of the antenna. In my situation, I'm not going to, because the cool thing is this mount allows you to take the base in and out real easily, and I can move this to my ATV, I can move it to my truck, back and forth real easy, and move the antenna at that same time. So for me, I'm going to just get multiple mounts, have one permanently set here. Most of the time the radio will be here, but I can move it to those other places and use the same antenna. So that may be something you want to do too. One last tip or thing that's drove me to put it right here. The radio comes, it can talk on GMRS repeater channels, FRS channels, and it also can listen and monitor all the weather channels. So, and it'll give you weather alerts, which is really cool. So you can have it here just operated in the background, monitoring for weather alerts. which is pretty handy if you're in a place that has a lot of thunderstorms or you're concerned about wind events and things like that. Just having it monitoring and then being able to alert you in the background is pretty cool. And it's centrally located here for us. So, all right, with no further ado, let's get this thing installed. All right, now I've got all my tools set up and the location all ready, so I'll show you how we're going to do this. The base actually comes up pretty easy from the mounting bracket. And save yourself some time, make sure you put these little release fins towards the front. If you mount it backwards, you'll have to take it off and put it on a second time. Okay, so goes like that. And I'm going to kind of gauge, let me see where I put the control head. I'm going to see how far back I want to put this on the shelf. Let me snap it in there and just kind of see how it hangs over the edge, just so it lays naturally. So about centered in that space by the Blu-ray. Okay, put that down over here. Okay, it's real easy to put in. There's just 2 screws to it. Okay, take that back out, set that aside. I'll show you on the camera. So just 2 slots and a solid screw point in the middle. So I'm just going to lay it down here about where I want it, and then I'm going to use this screw to push down, make a little dimple. In the wood where I want the screw to go. Okay, let's just do one to start. And to keep myself from drilling too far in, I'm going to put a little piece of tape on the bit. I don't know if you've ever done this, but it comes in a little handy. Let's see, I'm going to go about a 1/4 inch down. Sometimes you can lose track of how deep you're drilling when the sawdust comes out, so you can put a little piece of tape on your bit and then you don't drill in too far. All right, sorry to block the view. I'll try and I'm a lefty, so I'm gonna go right here. Is that one dimple point? Okay, and the other dimple part. You know what? I didn't push hard enough with the screw. So we put that back. Make sure I get the other hole lined up. Press again. There we go, now I can see it. Okay. Try and get off the camera here. Okay. All right, so not too tough, get 2 screws. Line it up. I wouldn't drill or screw both of the screws all the way in until you get them both set. Okay, get the second one on here. Again, sorry for being in the way. I'll stand up like this. In fact, let me get the, make it a lot easier. Got the DeWalt here, might as well use it, right? Okay. About centered, okay. nice and secure. All right. So really not too tough. So slide that in. Locked in place, so when I'm driving around and towing the fifth wheel, that's not going to fall off or anything. Okay, we'll get the power cord. It's nice, like I showed you before, it comes with the quick connect in the back of the radio and the fuse panel, and then the cigarette adapter. So I'll connect that. Put it in here. I'll probably get a zip tie or something like that to kind of pretty that up. And here, okay, here's the mag mount antenna. See if we can get that on without taking it off. Bracket again. Okay, get it nice and snug. Like I showed you before. Installed. Easy. Or again, amateur radio. Guys, use a cookie sheet. It works great. I can put it up in a cabinet, up in the loft, up higher, and that'll create that horizontal radio transmission that we want of the radio waves coming out of the antenna. All right, but for now, we'll just put it right there, and we'll get the control head. Another thing I wanted to point out on the control head and the plug, notice it's all dust. It has dust covers on it, which is really nice. And then it has this other little port to block the USB port on the front of it. So we'll clip that in, put that there. So if you're in a real dusty environment, that would, keep the radio inside nice and clean. Okay, so let's turn this on. And boom, there you go. That's how easy it is to put in this radio. Let's put in the mic holder. See about where I want to have that. Probably about there, centered. It comes with adhesive, sticky stuff in the back. There's no dust there. About centered. Just press and hold it for a few seconds. Make sure it sticks on there. Okay. And then see if it does them.
Please relay any information about observed severe weather.
There's the weather channel.
Weather service while following all local, state, and CDC guidelines.
Okay.
Winter weather advice.
Turn that up. Boom. Right there. So pretty simple. Pretty simple install, easy as can be. That's how hard it is. It's not hard at all. And so it can monitor the weather channel, listen to other people talking, communicate with friends and family. So this is the Midland Micromobile. It's the MXT275, and it's great. I highly suggest consider getting that. It's 15 watts, 15 channels, 8 repeater channels. It doesn't get any easier than that. So for all you RVers out there that follow me and my channel, know this is something that I use. I've used these Midland radios for many, many years and have had great success with them. So I highly recommend them. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will catch you later. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I love to help others learn and help you have fun like we do when we're out RVing. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.